Hello, investors. It's Don Vandenbord, Senior Portfolio Manager with Revere Asset Management. Today is Wednesday, January 10th, 5:40 p.m. Eastern Time. Abbreviated video tonight. I got to be somewhere and I got to crank this out quickly and get it loaded up. So now that I'm out of sync here, state of the market, we're in an uptrend. You can see on the trend gauge, we upgraded market leaders back from neutral to bullish, also short-term trend from neutral to bullish as the NASDAQ 100 has put some space between the 21-day moving average and the price, and we undercut and reclaimed on mid caps and small caps each of the last 2 days. We keep the yellow sub arrow on here. We really want to see some more strength out of mid caps. So what happened today? S&P 500 now green year to date after an afternoon rally, leaders acting just fine. Here are the final numbers. Big 7 up an average of 1.5%, RG8 up 0.2%, S&P 500 up 0.6, equal weight 0.2, NASDAQ 100 up 0.7, equal weight 0.3, Dow up 0.5%, mid caps up 0.25%, Russell 2000 small caps up 0.1. Global 60/40 up 0.22. In-house GROTECTION, a good day. Leaders continue to do their job, up 1.23%. Let's get to the charts, and then we'll wrap things up here. S&P 500, so you can see here 3 nice days off of the 21-day moving average. Big candle on Monday, consolidation on Tuesday, moving up higher, making a higher high this week, and in the green for the year. So good stuff there. NASDAQ 100. Very similar setup, 3 closes above the 21-day. Dow Jones Industrial Average. Best price chart, not from a relative strength standpoint, but trying to bust above that 37,800 level. Mid caps and small caps still lagging, but putting up a fight. Undercut but reclaim the 21. That's mid caps, small caps. Same thing. VIX, nothing important there. Bond charts, nothing important there either, nor gold stocks. But 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs approved today. We'll be having more info on that as the week progresses. Let's go to the tail of the tape. You can pause this. I'll hit the highlights. Here we go. Okay, so 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs finally approved. We got CPI in the morning and bank earnings start on Friday. Up 2 of the last 3 days, 3 days above the 80 MA, 4 above the 21. Sector stands out, home builders, uranium, software, especially cyber software on the downside, semiconductors, Bitcoin, oils, and biotech. One new buy in-house, new name, SMCI, added to our FANG U as the FANG Plus Big 10 index continues to act well. We trim some T-bill ETFs to make cash available for more new buys. Bottom line on the day, afternoon rally brings the S&P 500 to positive. Year to date, leaders remain strong. Let's take a look at a couple of charts. Start off with SMCI now, 3 straight up days. And got to the top of this range, looking for a little bit of a handle here now. This is a prime opportunity for it, but if it continues to shoot higher and showing true leadership characteristics the way it did the last 3 days or the last 2 days, we've got a foothold in it. Continued great action out of NVIDIA, also out of CrowdStrike, and out of our position that we took yesterday in Uber, up 3.5%. We also bought PDD yesterday. That is resting, and I'm going to wrap it up pretty quickly tonight. As always, like to hear from you. The email is don@revereasset.com. The phone's 855-REAL-WEALTH. That's 855-732-5932. If you're interested in becoming a client, email my partner, Dan Stewart, dan@revereasset.com. Remember, it's not how much you make in the market, it's how much of that you can keep. But with the great action on the indexes this week, after the questionable action last week, and the fact that we held right where we needed to on the 21-day moving average, we're in how much can you make scenario right now. You have any questions, as always, reach out to us. Appreciate you liking and subscribing on YouTube. We got a couple of very nice notes from people that recently found us as they just popped up in their stream, watched the videos, and said, I've never seen a video like this. You admit when you make losers. Everybody else is just, I made this. We're 100% transparent here. We have to be, because our clients watch these videos. We can't say everything is all roses all the time. We got to be realistic. And with that, we'll wrap up the video for Wednesday, January 10th. This is Don Vandenbord with Revere Asset Management, telling it like it is. Thanks for listening and have a great day.